Hello viewers, how you all been doing so long? Yeah, well waiting for my vlogs. Even I too was very busy finding new venues to impress you all as festive season is round the corner and everywhere people are all excited wanting to go for new exhibitions. Well, we are at TSH, the Sports Hub in Kanpur. Yeah, it's a sports hub in Kanpur. It's a venue where children, youngsters, or people of all ages come down for swimming, and playing tennis, badminton, and various other games. So, where I have come here today to have a look around for an exhibition of fashionista. So, come on, move in with me. Have a view. Well, this is the swimming pool area. I've always wanted to swim, so this is the place where children. This is for the kids' pool. This is for the elders. Yeah, I'm also wanting to learn to swim. Well, guys, this is the swimming area. This is a small pool for the kids. This is a bigger pool, but I've not bought my swimming costume because I've come to witness a fashion, the exhibition of the fashionista. So you can have a view of the pool. My children come here regularly. My children come here regularly for their swimming classes. Well, today I'm also in a mood to swim, but I haven't got my costume. And just in case you get hungry after you swim, there's a cafeteria right there by the name Shuttle, the cafe. You can go and grab a bite. As you can see, the pool is so tempting. Blue water. Thanks to places like this, where people like us who can fulfill our desire. This is the cafeteria, guys. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at everyone having a fun time. It feels so nice to see women enjoying playing table tennis. This is great. I just love this. Oh, kids of all ages, men of all ages, even women of all ages I can see. It's great, right? Children are free from their tuition classes and this is the time for them to relax. And this is so important. Seriously, I'm feeling so good seeing women playing because equally as the children, the women also require to spend time for their physical activities. In spite of just wrapping yourself into the gyms, you can also go out for outdoor games and even indoor games. Yeah. But the pool is too tempting. I don't know why. Again and again I'm walking towards the pool. My kids come here often and they've always told me you should also come, Mama. But I'm being a lazy person. But no, and now I am feeling really tempted. This blue water is tempting me. So I hope you like the Sports Hub Club. This is the reception area. They have a health club also. That's on the other side of the building. So let me now move into the exhibition area. The exhibition is by the name Fashionista. The exhibitions are basically regular. Having the same kind of stalls like clothes, jewelry, and hi. Yeah, the first stall is CM Jewelers. I just happened to come in first, and I spoke to this lady. Oh my God. Okay, woman, 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 woman being woman, they argue, argue, argue. I bought a pair of this earrings. It is to be उसका pair दे दीजिए. This is so cute. You have to pull it down and you have to wear it like this and then push the bead into the thing. Yeah, thank you. I purchased this. Yeah. You can see stalls. Majorly the stalls are of dress materials. I like this stall. It had saris. Saris are my weakness. But I end up wearing either western or suits. But saris are very special to me. ये कौन सा मटेरियल है?
These are handloom. ये ये काथा पे है.
काथा या आपको these are kantha work sarees. They have sarees all pastel shades. Oh, this is hand embroidery.
पूरा hand embroidery. And even we have hand painted sarees.
Okay.
Let me show you.
They have hand painted sarees also.
Not this one.
This one is again. This is hand woven. This is hand painted also.
ये hand painted भी है.
Okay,
ये पूरा
okay.
hand paint. These are hand painted. Then after that hand painting we have done in the
Embroidery. You have a shop there in civil lines.
civil line.
Okay. Right in front of
You
Hazel.
must have seen
Hazelnut? Yes.
It is in front of her.
By the name Ada, right?
Ada.
Ada Creations. Yeah. It's a famous shop. After I shoot, I will have a. Oh, this is so pretty. Yeah. How much is this for?
11,500.
It's a very
This
beautiful.
same saree was worn by Nita.
Nita Ambani. It's very beautiful. Moving to the next stall. Yeah, moving to the next stall. It's Rutba by Bhavna Ji Malhotra. Yeah, I spotted. I spotted this stall. This is for bed cars. So you must be Bhavna, right? Yeah. You're from Gurgaon, right? Gurgaon. A wide range of bedspreads. These must be AC door?
Those are comforters.
Comforters. Okay. AC quilts.
You can catch
Yeah. Definitely. This one is really nice. The color is good and the feel itself is very good. This one. What's the cost of this one?
Yeah, this is for 6,500.
6,500. They have a good range of comforters and these are the bedspreads, bed covers. Thank you. Thank you. Moving to the other stalls because there are so many stalls. I can't cover almost all of them. I would be covering the major ones. Again, the jewelry bits. I've seen one thing in almost all the exhibitions. Clothes are in abundance. The number of stalls in clothes and jewelry, they are like innumerable. I like this name, Zevar Queen. What is this? Let's spot out. What is it? Again, Zevar by the name itself. All kinds of Zevar. This is ring. All the kind of junk jewelry all the youngsters like to wear. These are the antique ones. ये हाथ से बने हैं? The name is good. I like the name Zevar. These are lehenga and cholis. Oh, the stall? ये वाला सोनी. अच्छा वो छुपा हुआ है ना? कहाँ से आप? गुजरात. The stall is. It's basically yours is ये अलग अलग है. अच्छा yours is अलग है. Yours is Panchkala. Okay. You're from Udaipur. That's why you have a different setup and a different articles you have. Different articles. These are basically dupattas. So these are all saris. Pure handloom. I'm from Udaipur. Okay, great. That's really nice. Can I see just one or two of them? You are coming for the first time in Kanpur?
Yeah.
Acha, this is your first time experience in Kanpur. How would you feel it? How was your response? Good? This is a very pretty sari. And you have the blouse piece also in it? How much is this one for? 9,600. So these are all plain shades. These are all plain shades. Wonderful. Anytime, any kind of sari is the best. According to her, oh, this is Arham collection Lucknow, a Lucknowi chicken wear. Beautiful. Chicken wear is like anybody, any woman's desire to have in her wardrobe. At least एक दो पीस तो चिकन के अच्छे होने ही चाहिए. I like this. The one, the pink, the brown, the beige, the golden and the white. Even this one hanging is very pretty with it's got moti, it's very pretty. Some stalls they are elegant. No, I can't spell this. What is? How do you spell this? Istrika. Istrika. What is the meaning of Istrika?
Actually, me and my sister started this business for a women-led business.
Okay.
So it's free.
Istri. Okay. From Istri you made it.
We have all women karigar, women
Acha.
toys.
Acha, all are women. That is why you have kept the name Istrika. You're from?
Actually, I was in Bombay.
Okay. 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 Just recently you have shifted. And this is your first experience in Fashionista. How was that response? Good, very nice. You like Kanpur compared to Bombay? No, it's very very calm. बहुत ज़्यादा शांत है, बहुत ज़्यादा peaceful है. वहाँ का वो शोर, energy levels match नहीं हो सकते Bombay की. That is for sure. ये तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत. Yeah. You going to settle here only now? You're married. Okay. Okay. Your articles are very pretty. So you made it in Bombay, all these articles?
Bombay properly has just started. I sourced
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So she said she's from Bombay and all these articles are made in Bombay. And this is her first experience. Pardon me?
This I source.
These are your?
These I source, but this I make.
These you make. Okay. These are the ones definitely. These are the articles that are being handmade. I like this. It's such a beautiful piece. This is for water, right? How much is this? The dog sword. How much is this? 1250. Son of yours, isn't this pretty? Beautiful. We'll take this. I'll take this. So I've taken this. This is called a decanter. What do you call it? It's a decanter, water dispenser or a decanter. Initially when we used to have, I purchased this one. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I'll take this. Thank you. And these glasses are also equally beautiful. How much are these glasses for? 17,650. Okay, these are teacups. Okay. Okay, these are the samples they have. Beautiful. My daughter is very fond of crockery, so that's why. How much is this set for?
This is for 25.
Cups. This is for how much?
17.
Yeah, I'll take this. I'm taking these glasses also. And well, many of the articles are very tempting. Good. I like the decanters. So these are 3 water dispensers. One for the detox water, and it rotates. One for the juice.
Party, people prefer some prefer juice,
Some jaljeera and all that. Yeah. So they can turn around and. So well, I have come here, purchased. Fashionista तो all over India लगता है. Fashionista, it's been held all over India, yeah.
But very selected place.
Very selected.
Not every city.
Not every city. So chalo, Kanpur was fortunate enough to have
Actually, they have like footfall in Kanpur.
footfall in
Lucknow.
better than Lucknow. Okay, that's good. These are all handmade Bandanwar. Beautiful. This white is so elegant. White is the color. Wedding hamper. Can you have your card or number? Yeah, her name is Khushbu, and this is her card. In case you like to have these for your any kind of functions or festivals, like festivals around the corner, so you can give your orders on this card, and this is the number, their phone number. So by the name Khushbu. Yeah. So clothes, footwear. Yeah, I spotted this place. It's by the name Palvi and Piyush. Yeah, this is your stall. Yeah, when I entered, I like the display of your. You're from Delhi. Okay, I think. Yeah, this seems to be hand painted, and this is a lehenga and a dupatta. This is a blouse, I think. Some colors are very fascinating. Okay, this is a two-piece sharara. The black and this white is very pretty. So is this. What is the cost of this? This is also a lehenga? This is also lehenga? This is very pretty. How much is this?
30,500. That one? 17,500. आपको इसमें भी आ जाएगा लहंगे के साथ आएगा ये वाला लहंगा सामने से अच्छा है
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर है।
इसमें हॉट पिंक है और ऑरेंज वो तो ऊपर लगा हुआ है मजेंटा
black
ब्लैक है वो and इसका
This one is very pretty. Just take a look of the video. It's very pretty. अच्छा, this is semi stitch.
अपर पार्ट
Semi stitch आएगा. It's very pretty. You have a card or something? No? And in then 6X. Yeah. You design it.
मैं बनाया we don't procure we make it
You make it.
आप वैसे ले लो ना अपने
Video. हाँ. This one is very pretty. ये जो blue है.
मैंने पहना हुआ है इसका पिंक
इसी का pink.
हाँ
This is very pretty. This is very pretty. We can't contact you on only through exhibitions. But that is a much better way also. ज़्यादा headache भी नहीं होती है. Yeah. Comfortable. Somehow I don't know this color is somewhat very tempting to me. In many of my wardrobe, almost many of my clothes are of this color. What is this? Hot pink, Rani pink, whatever you call it, but this pink is too pretty. Thank you. I hope you liked this vlog. I try to impress you. Did you like the articles? Well, in all the exhibitions you have different kind of articles, and definitely कुछ ना कुछ तो सबको पसंद ही आ जाता है. चलो, it's really good that festive season is round the corner. अब there's a line of festivals lined up from now on. So all of you take care, keep smiling, and please do LS Square, like, share and subscribe my channel. Yeah, until then, keep smiling, take care, bye.